basics for all technology.
Yes.
Cellphones, digital.
Laptop.
What do you mean by literacy naman? Literacy. Computer literate ka, ano ka tawag sila? Computer literate ka. Computer literate ka naman. So what do you mean by literacy is the ability to know how to read or write. Literate ka magamit. So what do you mean by digital literacy naman? So digital literacy refers to the ability to use. May skill ka, kabulo ka magamit sa digital devices and navigate online spaces effectively and safely. That is also the meaning of digital literacy. It is ability to use technology or digital devices.
Tama yung
Literate ka magamit. Kung digital literate ka naman, simple, hindi ka kapalo magamit. Literate ka mo. Literate ka mo magamit. So it includes skills related to using of software applications. So karamihan mo gamit sa mga software applications sa laptop, sa mga cellphones nyo, mag-open sa applications. So kung mag-open sa software applications like Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, consider mo na digital literate kung ano magamit sa technology. Also, searching the internet. Ano ba search sa internet? How to use Google, ano magamit ng search engines. Also, digital literate ka po. Understanding the online privacy and security. So may mga password by yung accounts. Nagamit ng mga multi-factor authentication. So also, you are also a digital literate. And last, critically evaluating online information. Ako lang mga basis ng information online. Ako lang mag-research sa RRL, ako lang mag-definition sa words, and so on. Ano tawag na digital literate tawag or digital literacy? Naiintindihan?
Yes, sir.
Naiintindihan mo lang? Base lang. Supplement na digital literacy kay Israel ang ulo. May discuss nila rin. Okay, next naman is the affordability. What do you mean by affordability naman? Sige daw, sige list lang. Ayaw na so? What do you mean by affordability? From the word afford.
Afford yung internet.
Afford ang ano?
Internet.
Internet? Hindi afford magbakat? Ano ba? What do you mean by affordability? So, pakibasa ni